In a revolutionary scientific achievement, researchers have developed a bioengineered 3D-printed device that has enabled rats with severed spinal cords to regain their ability to walk. This innovative scaffold guides stem cells to rebuild essential nerve connections, effectively restoring functional movement and mimicking natural tissue to heal what was previously considered unrepairable. As the team observes the remarkable progress of the rats, they document each step of the healing journey, providing hope for future treatments in spinal cord injuries. The animation demonstrates how the 3D-printed scaffold attracts stem cells, promoting regeneration and restoring mobility, paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in medicine.